guys, today I got the thing, and you won't believe what I got. So I found this at my front door. Sorry, I'm not in the picture. I found this on my front door. This golden egg. I haven't even opened it yet. See, it has these like diamond-shaped designs, and it looks like there's a sticker at the bottom. It looks pretty brand new to me. So let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, so this is kind of weird. So I found a remote control. And it says dog remote control. Baby girl, what happened? And then there's a Tic Tac. I think this Tic Tac was a mistake. What are we supposed to do with the Tic Tac? I don't know. I'm just going to put that back in so we don't lose it in case we are supposed to do something. But anyways, so maybe it's the name of, because it says dog remote control, but maybe like it's the name of this. Will it turn on the TV? It won't budge. What if I press one of these? That's so weird. Oh. I've been seeing some people having like surprise remote controls sent to them, like mom remote control, sister remote control, dad remote control. Maybe this is one of those. What if I try it on Stella? Let's try this thing. And, alright, where are you going, girl? Alright. Let's try this thing. Oh my god, I paused her. It actually worked. Oh, I just need to unpause her. Unpause. Alright, she unpaused. Okay. Oh my goodness. That was so crazy. I can't believe I actually paused her. I kind of want to adventure in on this, but I don't know. She's my sister. Baby girl. And I don't want to like get her stuck pause, or like if I like push rewind, like I will like never rewind her. She'll always do things backward or press forward, and it'll like always bring to the future, and she'll age faster. I mean, she literally turned 1 in on September 8th. September 8th, 2023 is when she turned 1. And I can't believe it, baby girl, you're going so fast. But, Rusties, okay, and, I mean, if you push rewind, you press. Well, I have the same remote as this, And usually for rewind, I'll go down, press down, and for pass forward, I'll press up. Yeah. But that's her. What are you doing, me? What are you doing, girlie? What are you doing? Okay. But, and usually if we want to go back to where we were, we press this button. So, I guess we could try. If it doesn't work, we'll just have to see what happens. Let's try this thing. Oh my God, look at her go. She's going so fast. I can't even believe it. I can't believe I actually did that. Did you just jump on the couch? Backwards? Wow, Stella. I'm gonna make my answer. Go back. Okay. She's back to where she was now. But, oh no. There's a pass forward button. And since we figured out how to get out of the backwards button, let's try to pass forward. Right, let's try this thing. Pretty nervous, y'all, but gotta try it. Right, Stella? You having fun, girl? I don't know. Baby girl. But, yeah, let's try this. Guys, that was crazy, but first of all, let's turn this off and go back. Okay. We're back to normal. Look at her napping. She must be so busy. I don't want to cause any more drama with her. And what if something bad does happen? And I don't want her to throw up on the rug. And I don't want her to throw up in general because that would make her feel even worse. I think we're gonna have to put an end to this. I don't want to do this anymore. I'll send this and everything else that came in that egg back to the mail. I don't want anything to do with this anymore. Good. Wow. Alright. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Heart you guys. Peace. Also, if you ever find a dog remote, send it back to the mail. You already know what's gonna happen, and I don't want any of you guys, dogs or any pets, to fishes, cats, all of your pets. I don't want anything bad to happen to them. I love animals. So send it back to the mail. That's all I gotta say. But anyways, heart you guys. Peace. Bye.